Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Visual Studio 2022 on Windows, and please watch this video. Now you cannot do it separately, so follow this process. Open the browser and search for Intel Visual Studio, and then you can scroll down. Sorry, not Intel Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay, now go to the Visual Studio option here, Tools 1, and then scroll down and then click on the x64 user installer. It has changed a little, so that's what I'm telling you. Okay, and then all you need to do is click on open, and it will start installing Microsoft Visual Studio on your system. And then you have to click on I accept the agreement, and then click on next, next, install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.